None. None.
Can you hear me, Snip?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. I'm doing a surprise birthday party for you. A little, just say happy birthday. So.
Say hi. Say hi.
Yeah, right there. Can you see him?
There's that laugh.
Let me see something.
No.
Hi.
Tania.
Hi.
Oh,
How are you?
yeah.
You look good. How are you?
Thank you. Thank you. You look well yourself.
Thank you. Say
I-
hi.
Now look look how big he is.
Listen,
Oh my gosh.
he's tall. He's
Wow, he's a big guy.
yeah.
He's a chubby little guy.
Wow, he's a big guy. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my wow. Can't get over that how big he is. Your cousin's coming on.
You smiling? You say hi?
Is he talking? Is he talking?
Yeah, the baby's always.
He says like ma. He says yeah. He's always like yeah.
Sometimes he says dada.
Yeah, dad.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
He's a character.
He is a
Nice. What are you doing?
big.
Stop messing with it. Why are you messing with it?
Okay.
Okay.
Cousin Ryan, that's it. I'm gonna give a couple more people, a couple minutes. I know Jasmine's having the twins on there and stuff, and Ryan.
Yeah, they was just on the Sunday school, so she should be
Yeah,
coming on, I guess.
Whatchamacallit?
Who?
TJ and Aaron, they're not gonna be on because they're doing something.
Yeah.
And I don't know about Cameron.
Cameron?
Oh, he wasn't on the Sunday school either. So
Right. All right.
they do have the link, right?
Yeah, I sent it to Jasmine. I sent it to Aaliyah and Sharice and Irene and Sheila. So
Okay.
I mean, if they don't come on in the next 2-3 minutes, we're just gonna go.
Okay. So how long is it for?
I was only gonna do 15 minutes.
Okay, because I was just gonna give Jasmine a call.
Yeah, go ahead, call it.
Okay.
She just texted me about 20 minutes ago
Okay.
asking for the link.
Oh, all right. Okay, good. Then she must be
No?
come on. Okay.
What's the baby doing?
Hi.
What's he doing?
Hi, Daddy.
Look. Say hi.
Look at him. That's Xavier. Oh my God. Isn't he big? Isn't he
Say
big?
hi.
He's a big guy. Look at him.
He's eating Cheerios, Eli.
I see.
How you been, Sneeb?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
No fun. We're all in the house. Can't go
Huh?
nowhere.
I
Yeah,
know.
right.
Right?
It makes me so sad sometimes, but you know.
One thing that we try to do, like sometimes is like go out on walks, but sometimes it gets too cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy
It's
birthday.
around that time. That's what happens.
Yeah.
The weather changes.
How's Taylor? How's she doing?
She's good. She's with her father. They went to Florida for a week. So
Ah.
yeah.
And she's what, 16 or 17 now?
17.
17. Yeah. She's about to graduate next year, 2021. So
Wow.
yeah.
My goodness.
I know.
Wow.
Yes.
And Maya and PJ, how they doing?
They're doing great. You know, they're still in California. I talk to them almost every night. We FaceTime. So she wants to come up here in January, but who knows, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know how that's gonna work out.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Because he turns 8, PJ, in January. Yeah.
Wow, yeah, because I know he was Elias' first. Yeah, Elias' first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, 8. Wow.
I know.
And how's Aunt Gail? How's she doing?
She's funny. She's good.
Tell I said hello.
I will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, there's Uncle Andre.
Hi, Andre.
Hey, Andre.
Son, how you doing?
Bye.
Thanks for coming on.
Okay.
Jasmine just texted me. She said she got the link, so we're about to start.
Okay. All right. And this joker is gonna be 9. Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Last year in single digits.
Wow, I'm telling you, right?
It went fast.
He's smart too.
Yeah.
Yes, he is. He
Yes, he
really is. The
Yes,
teachers
he is.
love him. They do.
Yeah.
They do. He really is.
The
Oh,
teachers.
it's teachers. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, he certainly is. So if I
And
go,
he's funny, and he's so funny.
Yeah, the Sutton brothers are
Jasmine and them, they're on now. Yeah.
Donna and Ryan and the twins.
Okay.
Because he's driving. Okay.
All right.
The Sutton brothers, put your video on and take your mic off so we can sing. Sutton brothers,
You can make them go to unmute.
we're gonna sing, so please put your mic on
Yeah, they have to allow it.
and your video. Thank you. And
Can you also hear me?
Yes.
Sutton brothers,
All right, there you
Hey,
oh, we're gonna sing now. All right.
go. Okay. That's Ryan. Okay, there you are.
Okay.
All right.
Happy birthday.
There's one missing. There's 3 of them.
Yeah.
Ryan,
it's two.
Huh?
Where's the little twin?
Ryan,
What
y'all-
happened to
you
them?
got- sit down in one place and put all your sit down, okay? And we're gonna sing, all right?
All right, we're gonna sing real quick. We're gonna,
Okay.
we're gonna sing and then light the candle, sing, and then I'm gonna give Eli a
Ryan,
gift.
Ryan.
He'll
Okay.
unwrap it and that'll be it.
All right. We're gonna sing. Put your mics on, fellas, and we're gonna sing. Put your mics on, please, because we gotta hear your voice when we sing.
All right.
Ryan, can you hear us?
Ready?
Hold on.
Okay, you're gonna light the candles.
Sit there and just
Ready?
You're gonna light it?
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Bye.
Happy birthday
to you.
Hey, God bless you. Steve. God bless you. Oh my gosh, God bless you.
All right, blow out the candle.
I want to see that.
Making a wish.
Make a good one, Eli.
Ask for a blessing.
Yes.
Yay.
Yay!
Thank you.
All right, hold on.
I can't see.
Here's a birthday card. I'll be right back. Open it.
Happy birthday, game on. To Elias, the best 9-year-old in the world. A kid with your winning ways. Deserve a lot love and praise. And you deserve a birthday too. That's filled with lots of fun for you. I love you.
All right.
Man.
Riley.
All right, here's a gift. It's from me and Tania.
Me and mommy.
Him and mommy.
Right. That's good to
Oh,
me.
my first one.
Want to know?
That's right.
So he can go ahead and open it.
Oh my God! No!
That's a big one.
No! You couldn't have. No!
Oh my gosh, listen to him. Oh,
Oh my God!
Yes.
it's so nice.
Oh my God!
Oh, very good.
Oh,
Yay!
Yes. Yes.
oh my gosh, that is so nice.
Oh my God!
Tell us what it is. What is it? I know I can see what it is. Oh my gosh.
You have to tell us what it is.
PlayStation 4.
The PlayStation.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. He deserves
Very
it, man.
nice.
He's a good kid. He gets good grades, so he deserves it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Very good.
He's
Congratulations.
straight A student. Eli's a straight A student. Yep.
Yes. You gotta come by Grandma and Papa's house to pick up your gift, okay?
I'll
Okay.
come there.
All right? Oh, I'm so glad for you. I am so glad for you.
Eli, we're never going to see you anymore.
Oh,
You're never gonna see me the same way.
No, because
Right?
you're going to be on the PlayStation.
oh my gosh.
Let's see
See,
if
that's you gotta come in and just interrupt them and say, okay.
Yeah, you might not see him again because
Hey, say look. Say wave. Say hi.
Hi, Davia. How are you?
Hi.
Oh, he's smiling. Oh my gosh.
The Last of Us Dark and the Rocket.
we can download Fortnite on it.
Yeah, this is cool.
Got a couple
Oh my
games.
gosh.
You're definitely gonna see what this is.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think
And
this
the David promises not to break it, right? Yeah.
I'm so glad for you. Oh my goodness.
No?
You are blessed. You are blessed, Elias.
Hey, Jazz.
Blessed. Great parents. You're blessed. Oh, blessed.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, Jasmine. How you doing, Jasmine?
Okay.
All right. Hold on. I think I did. All right. All right, Andre.
And
All right, that was it. Thank you.
thank you. Thank you. Thank
Thank you.
you. Don't forget to
Welcome
come by
back.
Grandma,
birthday.
Grandma and
All
Papa.
right, Riley.
I love you. See you later, Eli.
Bye. Thank
Bye.
you, fellas. Bye.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Cynthia. It was good seeing you.
Bye-bye.
It was good seeing you too.
And
Bye,
you
guys.
too, Davia.
Say
Bye,
bye-bye.
Davia. Bye.
Look at him.
He's smiling. Look.
Oh my gosh, look at him. All right. Take care.
You
Bye.
too.